The president is putting more pressure on Congress to get something done on health care between vacations. Many Republican senators are already bailing on their own version of an Obamacare repeal and replace measure, and the legislative clock is ticking. Chief congressional correspondent Mike Emanuel is on Capitol Hill tonight.
Senators return to Capitol Hill facing plenty of tension over health care reform. Fox has learned there's a new timeline, getting an updated bill text to senators on Thursday, a CBO score as soon as Monday, and a vote late next week.
Most of the folks that we're having trouble with do want to get to yes. They do support most of the bill. There are people who aren't quite there yet.
At least 10 GOP senators are opposed to the original Republican proposal. With 52 Republicans, there can only be 2 no votes to pass a bill with Vice President Pence serving as the tiebreaker. And now several Republicans have declared the original bill dead, but Majority Leader Mitch McConnell hasn't given up.
He is trying to rework to get something that works, that will pass, but the original version, 10 folks opposing, it's not going to pass.
President Trump issued a warning this morning on Twitter. I cannot imagine that Congress would dare to leave Washington without a beautiful new health care bill fully approved and ready to go.
Health care is a human right.
There was also pressure on Republican senators at town hall events in their home states. Ted Cruz faced some protesters in Texas.
Please don't pass your version of health care legislation.
On the other side, Senator Bernie Sanders is trying to move the health care debate to the left.
As soon as we defeat this disastrous bill, I will be introducing a Medicare for all single-payer program.
McConnell wanted a health care bill complete by late June. Now there's fear that more health care delays could sidetrack other issues like infrastructure, raising the debt limit, and even tax reform. If McConnell wants to get something like tax reform through, he may soon be forced to abandon health care. That's because Republicans want to use the same filibuster-proof process for tax reform that they're currently using for health care. Problem is, McConnell can't use the same maneuver for 2 bills at the same time.
This legislative backup is why some lawmakers are calling for reducing or dropping the August recess. They likely worry about facing their constituents with very few points on the board. Brett?
Mike Emanuel live on the Hill. Mike, thanks.